is asset disposal. So
Sorry to step in, Avi. Shubham got a question.
yes, Shubham.
Yeah, Abhi. So I have one more question. See, if you add a past to a fixed asset that increase its useful life, so how do we can manage in the NetSuite?
Sorry, can you repeat that, Shubham?
Yeah, yeah. If we change any parts in the fixed asset, then it will increase its
Yeah,
useful life. Then how do we manage it in
yes.
NetSuite?
We have an option where we can revalue the assets, and then we can change the asset value, asset lifetime, and then rerun the asset depreciation from there. So here
Okay,
we
thanks,
have
Abhi.
an option like where we can asset revaluation, where you can revalue the assets. And let me go back to that particular asset where I have run the disposal for this. Now you can see the status which was depreciating now changed to disposal, and cumulative balance was as the cost value. And if you want to look at the invoices that would be generated, you can view under asset sales and disposal, where you can see the disposal item and the customer name, the date of sale, and the amount along with the invoice. And if you want to just view the invoice, you can just click on the invoice document number over here, and you would be seeing all the details.